can you read, translate? You will only probably learn about 6 new words. Things are getting a lot easier. From 36, 6 new words. It's not much. But what I want is, can you read and translate? But I'll help you first, inshallah. Right, okay. So first we're going to go through a rule that's related to wow. If you pay attention, understand this simple rule of wow. Sometimes you will find there's a wow in the Quran that comes at the beginning. And sometimes you will find the wow that comes in the middle of 2 words. The wow that comes in the beginning, just forget about that for now. That's got a separate rule. Like وَالشَّمْسِ وَضُحَاهَا وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَغْشَى. All these wow that comes, we are working today with the wow that comes in the middle of 2 words. It connects both words. When wow comes in the middle of 2 words, it gives a translation of and. Can you remember that? Wow that is coming in the middle of 2 words is connecting both words, and the translation will be and. That's all you have to know. Note that down with your rules, because all these will count. And it does not matter the words got 2 zabas on it, 2 zays on it, 2 pesh on it. It does not matter. It will not change things. Okay? Right. Let's look at 3 examples and then we're going to start moving fast. So you have to keep up. Al-Mashriqu wal-Maghribu, that would mean East and West. Al-Jannatu wal-Maghfiratu, Jannah and forgiveness. Ad-Dunya wal-Akhiratu, Dunya and Akhirah. Are we clear? Right. So everyone must have the translation, so you just need to follow through, because I want some brothers to read this after, because I need to see what level. Can you read, translate? That's what I want to know. If you can do that for today, that would be enough. So follow, we're going to move a bit quick, because it's not something new that we're doing. Al-Jannatu wal-Maghfiratu, Jannah and forgiveness. Al-Ilmu wal-Jism, knowledge and jism, body. Al-Haqqu wal-Batil, Haqq, the truth, and Batil, falsehood. Al-Mashriq wal-Maghribu, East and West. Ad-Dunya wal-Akhiratu, Dunya and Akhirah. Al-Kitabu wal-Hikmah, the book and wisdom. Al-Shamsu wal-Qamaru, sun and moon. Al-Sama'u wal-Ardu, the sky and the earth. Al-Laylu wal-Naharu, night and the day. Al-Injil wal-Qur'an, Injil and the Qur'an. Injil was revealed to Jesus, Isa alayhi salam. At-Tawrat wal-Injil, Torah is the Torah which is revealed to Musa alayhi salam. In the Quran it comes At-Tawrat wal-Injil and Injil. Al-Dhakaru wal-Untha. This is a new word. Yeah? Male and female. Al-Dhakaru male, wal-Untha female. That's a new word, so you need to kind of highlight that, because the other ones you've done. You'll only get a few that are new. Okay, Al-Hajj wal-Umratu, Hajj and Umrah. I don't need to explain that, you know that. As-Salatu wal-Zakatu, prayer and Zakat. How many times does that come in the Quran together? Aqimu as-Salah wa atu az-Zakat. Al-Birru wa-Taqwa. This can be a new one. What is al-birru? Piety. And taqwa, conscious. Laysa al-birra. Piety. Okay, let's move on. Ash-shar. Ash-sharru wal-khayru. Over here they put ash-sharri wal-khayri, won't make no difference. Shar, evil, and khair, good. As-sabru was-salatu, sabr, patience and prayer. Wasta'inu bis-sabri was-salat. Al-barru wal-bahru, this new word. Have we done al-barru before? Land. And al-bahru means the sea. We've done that before. So the new word is al-barru, land. Okay. Al-Maghfiratu wal-Rahmatu, forgiveness and mercy. Al-Mawta wal-Hayat, death and life. Al-Mayyit wal-Hayy, the dead and the living. Al-Amnu wal-Khawfu, safety and fear. Al-Khawfu wal-Huznu, fear and sadness. Al-khawf wal-ju'u, fear and hunger. Al-manna was-salwa, man and salwa. This is the word, a new word that we need to understand. So just stop there. Man and salwa, you will translate as man and salwa. But I'll explain a little bit about it. So the Bani Israel, the Jews, the children of Israel, meaning Yaqub alayhi salam, what happened was Allah had given them a lot of blessing. One blessing, Hamza, was food would come from the heavens and it would be given to them. What was this food called? Man and salwa. Man is like a sweet type of dish, and salwa is like a quail, like you get them birds. That would come, they had to do nothing and they could eat. Sounds good, Sharifu? But what did they do? لَن نَصْبِرَ عَلَىٰ طَعَامٍ وَاحِدٍ. We have no patience on this food. فَادْعُ لَنَا رَبَّكَ. Make dua to Allah. We want to go out and do farming, do hard work. We want lentils and we want all this. So Allah said, okay, stop now. Go and do that now. Food used to come from them. So al-man was salwa, man and salwa. Okay? So man salwa is translated as man and salwa. Like I said, the man is like a sweet thing that they were given. Salwa is like a quail, like a bird.
Even in the Bible, I think it's the same. It's man salwa.
Yeah, that's why I said translate is man and salwa.
Yeah.
Even people, when the special or extra food comes, they say man and salwa has come. Surah Baqarah it comes. Yeah, exactly. I explained to you about that, and then that ruku as well. لَن نَصْبِرَ عَلَىٰ طَعَامٍ وَاحِدٍ فَادْعُ لَنَا رَبَّكَ. So Allah said, okay, right, out now. Go to the city and start doing your farming. Get on there and work hard. They were given a lot. Allah had given them a lot. But every time they just ungrateful. Okay. Al-dhahab al-fiddatu, that's another new word. Al-dhahab means gold and al-fidda means silver. Al-yaqut wal-marjan, that's another new word. Yaqut means rubies. Marjan is translation that came for that coral, but what it means is it's like this red type of special mineral that's there and found in the sea. Like you get ruby as well. Yaqut, marjan is a special mineral which is red in color and found in the sea, and it's very rare, special. In the Quran, where does al-yaqut and wal-marjan come in Surah? Surah Rahman. And who is it about? It's about the hurs of Jannah. You know hur? The verse is كَأَنَّهُنَّ الْيَاقُوتُ وَالْمَرْجَانِ. Allah explains, look, the hurs of Jannah, they're going to be like special and rare, like yaqut and marjan. It's rare. It's not something common. Okay, al-khabithu wal-tayyibu, both words we've done before, impure and pure. As-sa'ilu wal-mahrum is a new word. Sa'il is the one who asks and mahrum is the one who does not ask. But when it refers to sa'il and mahrum in the Quran, you get two types of people. One is like a beggar that will ask for money. Yeah? So you'll get two types of poor people. One who will show that he's poor and he's a sa'il and says, please give me some money, please give me some food. Yes? Then you will get another type of poor person who has so much taqwa and piety and fears Allah so much that from his mouth, from his lips, he will not ask. That type of person is called mahrum. You go search people and find if they are eligible to be given zakat or sadaqah. That's what the Quran mentions as mahrum. Will not ask. La yas'aluna an-nasa ilhafa. As soon as I started mentioning about Jannah, Taha's falling asleep. It's like, right, okay, let's see.
Mahrum is then the needy.
Sorry?
So mahrum would be the needy.
No, mahrum is the one that does not ask. It's like
like in respect to that person,
so and so's mahrum means he's deprived.
Empty-handed.
Yeah. But to understand in the Quran text, you get sa'il mahrum. The one who asks, the one who does not. He doesn't spread his hands. He's empty-handed. He doesn't go and ask people for charity, for sadaqah.
I think in English what they use like the deprived word.
Deprived is the dictionary meaning for
Yeah,
mahrum
yeah,
as well.
yeah.
This person's mahrum, he's deprived because he doesn't ask.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Al-harth wal-nasl. Yeah? So, Al-harth, have you got it written? Has everyone got it written down?
Farming.
Crops. And nasl is livestock. Has everyone got it written down? Because that, if you don't have it written down, then the next stage is nasl is livestock. You know, like you said, nasl. You see, you've heard that in it somewhere. Is it used in a bad way?
Hars can be farming as well.
Yeah,
Farming.
farming, yeah.
This is kheti.
Kheti karna, yeah. Yep, nisa'ukum harukum. Crops is another word. Ibrahim and Musa, Ibrahim and Ishaq, Ishaq and Yaqub, Musa and Isa, Dawood and Isa, Dawood and Sulaiman, Fir'aun and Thamud, Fir'aun and Thamud. Thamud is a nation. At-Tin was Zaytun, fig and olives.
What's that? Where does that nasl come in the Quran?
Surah Baqarah, para number 2, just about half a side before the second half. وإذا تولى سعى في الأرض ليفسد فيها ويهلك الحرث والنسل. So over here, farming will be more destroying the crops and the livestock. That makes it's more suitable for that verse. But al-haruthu in the dictionary does mean farming.
Akra is about, you say the second part?
Second para, half a side before the second half. So almost at the half point of second para.
Which I did not read, okay, or is it fast?
Okay, I will see.
Okay. At-Tin and Zaytun, Tin means fig and Zaytun is olive. Al-Jinnu wal-Ins, Jinn and Ins. Al-Ithm means human. Jinn kind, mankind. Al-Ithm means sin. Al-Udwan means aggression, like ziyadati. Al-Ithm again means sin. Wal-Baghya, Al-Ithm wal-Baghya, and Al-Baghy means rebellious. That's why Baghi. As-Su'a wal-Fahsha, Su means evil and Al-Fahsha means shamefulness. Al-Kufra wal-Fusuqa, disbelief and sin. Al-Fusuqa wal-Isyan, sin and disobedient. Al-Adawata, enmity, wal-Baghdha, hatred. إنما يريد الشيطان أن يوقع بينكم العداوة والبغضاء. Shaitan's mission is that he wants enmity amongst you and al-Baghdha, hatred.
What's the English word for fasiq, please? Officer, please.
Sin.
Sin.
So one question that I wanted to ask, because before we get on to the next part, is everyone writing all it down? The first tool of knowledge is writing. If you haven't got it written, that means you're not going to learn it. It's simple, innit, Brother Musa? Is that right? If it's not written, that means you're not going to do the next part. Okay, next now. Brother Jamil. Right, can you please translate the next part yourself?
Ibrahim and Ishaq.
So nice and loud. Everyone should be able to hear. Read the Arabic, translate. So what he's doing now is, through what we've learned in this book, he's going to read almost 3 words that are connected in the Quran together. Arabic first, then English translation. Loud as you can. Remember the fans on as well.
Ibrahim wa Ishaq wa Yaqub. Ibrahim and Ishaq and Yaqub. Ibrahim wa Musa wa Isa. Ibrahim and Musa and Isa. Wa Thamud wa Ad wa Fir'aun. Thamud and Ad and Fir'aun. Qarun wa Fir'aun wa Haman. Qarun, Fir'aun and Haman.
Yeah.
Al-Kitab wal-Hukm wal-Nubuwwah. The book and the command and the message, the word and the prophethood. Al-Kufra wal-Fusuqa wal-Isyan. Disbelief and sin and disobedience.
And aggression.
Aggression.
Sorry, disobedient. You're right. Udwan is aggression, yeah. Okay, next.
والشمس والقمر والنجوم. The sun and the moon and the stars. الفحشاء والمنكر والبغي. Evil,
Fahsha, shamefulness.
shameful deeds, shamefulness, and munkar,
The wrongdoing.
and the
Rebellious.
Baghdad, is that hatred?
Baghdad, yeah.
Baghi.
No, where's the...
Baghi is rebellious.
Yes.
Otherwise.
Okay. As-sam'a wal-basar wal-fu'ada. We've not done that, but that means the sight, the seeing, hearing, and
The fuad.
the heart.
What's the book?
The wrongdoing. Okay, next.
Rebellious.
Brother Hanif, can you do the next one, please?
الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر, night and the day and the sun and the moon, الكتاب والحكمة التوراة والإنجيل, the book and wisdom and the Torah and the Injil, نوح وإبراهيم وموسى وعيسى, Nuh and Ibrahim and Musa and Isa, زكريا ويحيى وعيسى وإلياس, and Zakaria and Yahya and Isa and Ilyas, وإسماعيل واليسع ويونس ولوطا, Ismail and Yusha.
And Yasa. Yasa is the name of a prophet as well.
Is that Yusha or something else?
No, Yasa is the name.
Yasa, Yunus and Dawood وسليمان وأيوب ويوسف وموسى وهارون, Dawood and Suleiman and Ayub and Yusuf and Musa and Harun.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, next, Taha. Question number 1. Can you join a word with that? Do this exercise, please.
الشمس والقمر.
Nice and loud.
الشمس والقمر.
Next.
والتين والزيتون. والتوراة والإنجيل.
Okay. Next. Brother Musa al-Birru. Al-Birru wa-taqwa. Next. Okay, next al-mauta.
الموت والحياة.
Next
الأمن والخوف.
and next al-khawfa. Brother Yaqub. Wal-ju'. Next. That's fine. It's okay. You don't have to. It's, okay, next. Al-kufra wal-fusuq. Next. Al-adawat wal-baghdha. Next. Al-ilm wal-jism. Alhamdulillah. Now the others, we've done that. Practice that as well. Alhamdulillah. That's done. Now the question is, put your hand up honestly right now if I was to ask you, with the translations written in your book, if I said read and translate, if you have the translation written next to you, because this is today's lesson, you can read and translate comfortably without any problem. Can you do that? How many do we have? Put your hands up, please. I'm going to test it out now anyway, because we've got 10 minutes. Okay, so we're going to start from here. And when I feel comfortable that you're okay, then stop. So start from Al-Jannatu. Read and translate. Yeah, from the start. You've got the translation written so you can read it like that. I'm not asking you off by heart. I just want to look inside, read and translate. Yeah, nice and loud. Loud as you can so everyone's paying attention. Keep going.
Forgiveness and mercy, al-amn wal-khawf, safety and fear, al-mann wal-salwa, manz and salwa, al-khabith wal-tayyib, evil,
Impure and pure.
pure.
Okay, next. Yeah, carry on from there. Louder if you can, please, so everyone's engaged. Okay, next.
الصلاة والزكاة, prayer and zakat, الصبر والصلاة, patience and prayer, الموتى والحياة, death and life, الخوف والحزن, fear and sadness, الذهاب والكتاب,
فضة
say that again?
والفضة.
والفضة, الذهاب والفضة, gold and silver.
Okay, that's enough. Brother Musa, skip. Next, Brother Abdul Karim.
السائل والمعون. Ask and not ask. Ibrahim وإسحاق.
Ask no, the beggar and the deprived.
Is it not ask them?
You're the one who asks or the one who is.
Not ask.
Yeah.
السائل والمعون. إبراهيم وإسحاق. إبراهيم وإسحاق. داود وإسحاق.
Yeah, remember names.
إسحاق. إبراهيم وإسحاق. داود وإسحاق. داود وإسحاق. الطيب.
No, Atin.
وزيتون. زيتون.
Okay, next. You've done some, so you've done as well. Move on, Brother Yaqub.
الحق والباطل الفوز الكتاب والحكمة الرزق
Yep.
الليل والنهار night and day
والأنثى.
والأنثى, female and male.
Which one's female?
A female was al-Untha,
Yeah. So الذكر is the male.
the male, yes. Al-Birru, wal-Taqwa, righteousness and piety. Al-Birru,
So translate as the first, like al-bir, piety, and taqwa.
Al-Birru means righteousness, Al-Taqwa means piety. Al-Birru,
Al-barru.
Al-Barru, land. Al-Bahru, sea.
So third, like al-barru wal-bahru, land and sea.
Is al-birru piety?
Yeah. So piety. Al-birru is piety. Taqwa, conscious. One zabazir. Have you heard that famous saying in Urdu? Eki nukte ne mahram ka mujram bana diya. In Urdu, the word mahram is written, which means your close relative. Someone who you can't do nikah with, like your mother, your sister, your aunt, your khala. Is haram for you to do nikah. It's such a close relation, relative. The same word, the same way it's written, you just added one dot on the jim. Now that meanings become mujrim, criminal.
No, but you change the pesh as well, didn't you? You change the alif to a pesh. Mahram to mujrim.
Yeah, but when it's written, it's
Yeah,
still,
you don't write the
Yeah.
yeah.
you're not writing the word. Just one dot has changed it. Yeah. So bir, and then again, which other words have you learned? Malik and malak. Malik means king, and malak means
Angel.
angel. Now you see how delicate Arabic language is. There's Malik as well. And some people, Khalik, Allah is our Khalik, they say Halik. That means shaver, the one that shaves your hair.
What do you say? Malik means angel.
No, Malak. Have you heard anyone say Allah Hamare Halik? They say that. It's a Kha with a Kha. Okay. Next. والحي. The dead and the living. Okay, next. Next. والجوع. Okay, next. Yaqut is ruby and marjan is coral.
Ruby and coral. الحرف والنصب. Crops and livestock. إسحاق ويعقوب. داود وسليمان. الجن والإنس.
Okay, that's enough. Next. So, like al-ithm wal-udwan, read it and translate together as one. Al-ithm wal-udwan, sin and aggression. Al-ithm wal-baghya, sin and rebellious. As-su'a wal-fahsha, like that.
Sin and rebellious, السوء والفحشاء, evil and shamefulness, الكفر والفسوق, كفر, disbelief and sin, الفسوق والعصيان, sin, disobedience, hatred,
Enmity and...
enmity.
Okay, next. Yeah.
and
Yeah. Don't worry about hukm, you haven't done that, so there's no need to. Only worry about the words you've done. Okay, next. Because we've got to get through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on.
والشمس والقمر والنجوم الsun, moon and stars الفحشاء والمنكر والبغي فحشاء is shamefulness and والمنكر is
Wrongdoing.
wrongdoing and والبغي is it's like
Rebellious.
rebellion.
Okay, next. Adam.
Oh sorry, I forgot the last one. Should I do that?
Oh, yes, sorry, last one, yeah.
السمع والبصر والفؤاد ears
Fuad, Hamza.
والفؤاد
So if you say Fuad, then that Fuad, Hamza. Fuad, yeah? Fuad.
ears, eyes and heart. Eye and heart.
Okay, next. Come on. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 more.
الليل والنهار
والشمس والقمر.
والشمس والقمر. Night and the day
And the sun,
and the sun
the moon. Next. No, carry on. Do a few at least. The ones I see they're struggling, I want them to do more. والحكمة والتوراة والإنجيل.
book and wisdom and the Torah and Bible.
Yeah, the reason why I'm doing this is so when you open the Quran, these words that have come, that's how they're going to come in the Quran. They're set like this, so when you read, you don't even need to think, you know how it is.
ويمسك السمع والبصر والفؤاد
إن السمع والبصر والفؤاد كل أولئك كان عنه كل ذلك عنه مسبرة 15 Surah Isra.
Is it seeing?
Yes, seeing is the right translation here.
Hearing, seeing.
Yes, and what you think in your heart.
So they just sit in Urdu, they fit in the ear, eye, and the heart.
No, but it refers to seeing. Yeah.
So what's the reason?
As some is what seeing.
What's the reason to Fuad and Qalb? It's the same thing.
Similar, yeah. I'll have to look exactly the more differences. Yeah. Remind me, inshallah. And then. So Surah Isra, para number 15. Ruku 1, 2, around the third, fourth-ish. Ruku, before the first quarter. Before the first quarter,
I always go, like 16 line across.
okay.
I get totally confused.
So you're looking at, when you get to para 15, open it up and go through about 5-6 sides and you should find it. After 2 rukus is where you start searching, after 3 rukus. Okay, next. Okay, that's it. But you know what you need to do with your uncle. Cha-cha. Next.
وزكريا ويحيى وعيسى وإلياس زكريا يحيى وعيسى وإلياس وإسماعيل واليسع ويونس ولوط وإسماعيل واليسع ويونس ولوط داوود وسليمان وأيوب ويوسف وموسى وهارون داوود سليمان أيوب يوسف موسى هارون.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, Hamza from beginning. Al-Jannatu.
الجنة والمغفرة جنة المغفرة المشرق والمغرب east and west الشمس والقمر sun and moon الإنجيل والقرآن فصل القرآن الحج والعمرة حج العمرة الشر والخير evil and good المغفرة والرحمة forgiveness and mercy الأمن والخوف safety and fear.
So like that, that's how we want it. So read fluent, but obviously he's more familiar because he's Hafiz with the words, so it's going to be a lot easier. But if you can get it like that, that's what we want. Because when you open the Quran, it's going to come like this, so you don't need to think. When you're reading, you know what is happening. Yeah? Next. Can you do it same? Hassan.
Almanna was sweet food, dish. Al-Habis,
Khabith, that's with a kha.
Al-Habis, what they Ibrahim wa Musa, Musa wa Isa, Musa and Moses and Isa, Fir'aun wa Thamud, Pharaoh and nation of Al-Ilm wal Jism.
Jism. Not jism. Sin.
Knowledge of body. Al-Dunya
Ad-dunya, not ad-dunya. You need to revise your sun letters, moon letters. I've given you the clue. Start searching up after sun letters and moon letters.
Dunya wal Akhirah, heaven hereafter. As-Sama'u wal Ard, sky and earth. At-Tawrat wal Injil, Torah, Bible. As-Salatu wa Zakat, prayer, Zakat. As-Sabr wa Salat, patience and prayer. Al-Maut wal Hayat, death and life. Al-Khawf
Huzn.
wal Huzn, sadness and fear.
Al-dhahabu.
الذهب
Fiddatu.
all gold and silver.
Okay, stop there. Alhamdulillah, today's lesson completed. The aim of today's lesson again, we learned wow.